What's going on, good people? Myers Fishing Home here. Gonna do a quick little unboxing video, but I'm gonna start out with a little funny blooper. Basically, I got myself some stuff because of my lady and kids and stuff for Christmas. Got me a gift card. What I should have bought apparently was a new tripod. This is the tripod I've had ever since I started YouTube, so it's about 3 years old. I went to get it to do this unboxing video, and it broke on me. It looks like it could probably be glued back together. You know, if I want to glue it together for a backup generic one, I can get it back on there and glue it. But yeah. So hey, this old trusty dusty has lasted me 3 years. But anyways, so I got a few items here to unbox to show for this next season. Hopefully I'll be out there a lot more, so I got myself a couple items. Also, my daughter did me another painting. So she made me this is painted by my daughter again. And of course she put the old little fake fishing pole string and fake fishing hook on there. And the fishing hook had a gift card for me. So that's pretty cool. Another original painting by my daughter. Yeah. Go ahead and get this bad boy over here. Start with this one. Alrighty, y'all know how I feel about my little rod. The original one that I caught at the lake. Nothing beats that one. I love having that bad boy out there. But last year, my son, or this past season, during my birthday, my son got me a gift card. So I bought me one of these. I decided to get another one so I could have 3 little rods all together when I want to go out there and have a little rod challenge. So I got me another Ugly Stik Dock Runner. It's spooled with 5-pound line. This is what I caught that 14-pound catfish on. Was this exact replica? You know, this is a brand new one, but you know what I'm getting at. Anyways, this little 5-pound string, this little bitty spinning reel, this little bitty dock runner. That's what I caught that 14-pound catfish on out there at Lick Creek when I was trying to catch bait. So I now have me 2 of those. They are tested and proven to work. And obviously I will always have little rod with me out there as well. My original little rod that started the whole little rod adventure for me. My true fans that have been around forever, my true people, they know what I'm talking about. They love it. I love it. It's a crazy, amazing thing. Whoa, wait a minute. What the heck? That's a surprise. I'm gonna have to check my order placement. I thought it was only gonna come with one. But I have 2. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check my order on that one. But for those who know Potomac River Monster, aka Smoke, about 1.5 to 2 years ago, he gifted me a Penn 309 level wine spinning reel, and I love it. I have caught some nice fish on it. I have bought 2 KastKing Rover 90s, which are a bigger reel, and I thought they were pretty nice. But I bought 2 of them bad boys for almost 70 each. They both broken on me. They have a plastic drag clicker in there. Both drag clickers have gone out. And the actual gears have been slipping on the handle. Like when I try to reel, I'll take them apart, put them back together, and the reel still keeps going click, click, click. It's like slipping drags on me. So I'm done with those. I decided to go ahead and get me a Penn. Now this one's a 209. but it's got a line counter on it too. So the one he gave me, I've brought in a lot of fish on and a lot of big ones, and they've been really freaking nice. So, and here's the clicker. Let's see here, get the clicker on there. You can hear that nice loud clicker. I have loved the Pen 309 that Smoke gave me. So I went ahead and used that gift card my lady got me to get that small little rod. And as far as I knew, I was only getting one of these. But what the hell? That's stupid sun coming through. I'm sorry. Turn it that way a little bit. Alright, so let's open it up and make sure it's the same thing. I'm gonna have to look at my order. I'm telling you, maybe it was buy one, get one free. I don't know. It is 2 complete sets. What the hell? Well, that's freaking awesome. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I got 2 of them. That's awesome. So the line counter works pretty damn decent there. Turn the clicker on. Nice loud clicker. I love the clicker on these. And like I said, I've had his reel now for about 1.5 to 2 years maybe. It still casts like a dream. I don't ever backlash it, and I'm whipping that bad boy out there. I think I've only backlashed it like once, and that was just, I gave it a little too much oomph. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and get the 209s. And apparently I got 2 of them. That was wild. I will double check that order just to see, make sure I didn't get overcharged. And it won't matter if I did, because it was via a gift card that my lady gave me, so I didn't go over, you know. I got, I used the gift card when I bought them, so. But yeah, that's pretty crazy. So anyways, one more look. Got the Ugly Stick Dogger Runner. And like I said, I brought in a 14-pound blue cat on this. It was a fun fight. I'm sure I can bring in a 30-pounder on it. A little more fight to it, but I bet I can do it. And then apparently 2 209 Penn reels. That kind of made me happy. I thought the box was big for one reel, but I mean, they sent this big old box for that little bitty pole. So you never know. But yeah, that kind of, I can't believe this thing broke on me though. But I've had it 3 years. It's just a little Omni Walmart tripod, so technically not too bad. What I got my phone sitting in now is my ring light tripod, but I really don't like it. It's not as stable. This thing, you know, the angle on it is kind of a little weird, but whatever. So, Happy New Year's, everybody. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas, and may 2025 be blessed for everyone. And I'm hoping I get out there a lot more this year. Obviously, I got other things I got to worry about right now, like getting a job again, but I'll be doing that right after the New Year. Just was waiting for the holiday to get over, and I'll get out there and start looking around. Try to find me something. I'm definitely only going to do part-time during the days, so I can get out a lot more. I've already talked with my lady, and obviously I definitely got to get back to work, but I just can't go back to them 10-hour days and whatever. So hopefully I'll see a bunch of y'all this year. Hopefully I'll be able to get out there a lot more like I've been wanting to. So hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. Happy New Year, everybody. Today is the 1st. It's New Year's. That cold weather's about to start hitting us soon. They're talking about maybe 2 inches of ice, 4 inches of snow, and crap like that. So gonna be a few months before I get out there, but I'm gonna start getting ready. I want to get out there, man. I want to get out there. Love y'all. I will see you. I might even go live tonight. I don't know. But we'll see. Hope you enjoy. See you next time. Mike's Fishing Home checking out.